Hello guys, so today we're going to be making a cake. We got 3 eggs in there, we got our whisk, and we got a bird. We got everything we need. Chris, don't touch the icing. And we got some icing with some unicorn sprinkles.
Get off.
But making the cake. So, Mom, what do we?
Okay, so let's first crack the eggs in the bowl.
Okay,
Everybody gets to do 1 egg.
I'm gonna start first.
Just put your shell back in the bowl. Okay, Chris, let's pour in the water and the oil.
Ooh.
You ready?
Wait, what's the water in the oil?
Yep, I mixed it together. Good job.
Give me
Can you
5.
please stop, Adam?
Okay.
Now we are mixing it together.
Okay. Alright, all mixed. You ready to, me and Chris will
Okay,
do
we'll
the
put
cake
the
adder.
mix
Ready?
in the cake mix in. Okay,
You just like to,
okay.
okay, I know.
Yo.
Just likes to do a little bit at a time. Hey, Adam.
Okay, guys, so we had to pause the video for a little bit because my brothers were being crazy.
And you didn't have a head in the video.
Cool. Actually, I said I had a fat.
Hey, hey, hey.
Okay. And I mixed up the oil. Hey, I'm not ready yet.
Okay, hold on. Let's see mix it all up.
I'll tell you when I'm ready.
What does that beep mean?
It means it's done.
The oven's ready.
Booyakasha!
The oven's just ready for the cake whenever you're ready. I was just seeing.
My
Hold on.
brothers
Yep, you
are
can hold
being
it.
so crazy.
Allie.
No, Chris, I'm not ready.
Hold on, you gotta let Sissy mix it. Oh, I forgot the dishwasher was on. That scared me.
So it's getting hard to mix. I might need to switch to a spoon so this doesn't bend whenever I'm mixing it, but I don't know.
That's a whiz.
I'm gonna wait.
Oh, I know. I'm just saying. Isn't that what you're supposed to use? Does it smell good?
Yes.
No, it doesn't. I think it smells good.
It smells so good. Could smell it. Could smell it. It smells good.
All right, you ready for some more?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm ready for some more.
Oh, you're just gonna add it? Okay.
Okay. Oh.
That's good. We gotta wait for her to stir that up, and then you can add some more. Okay. Good job. Give me some skin.
Tell me when.
Does it
So
look yummy?
this, guys, if you've never had a cake before, or if you've never seen a cake fully
You wanna show them what kind of cake we're making?
we're making a vanilla cake.
Is it gonna be
So that
good?
you can eat it.
Yeah.
Basically, if you don't know what food is, then you can eat it. You can basically eat it.
Birthday.
Cheese are not food.
It's a mix-in, my sweet. Well, we gotta make the cake, and then we can birthday.
Am I the only one seeing a blue circle around here?
Yeah. It's a shadow of your head. Yep. She's ready for some more.
No, I'm not.
Oh, we'll get the mix-in. Hold on. Hold on. All right. I think that's good. The oven's ready. So.
Okay.
Hold on. Let's let it. I'm add a little bit more.
No.
Hold on. Okay, hold on. We're gonna be here till Tuesday.
No, wait.
Okay.
Chris, I'm ready.
We're gonna do the rest this time, okay?
I know. But you're hanging on to some.
Alright, so Sissy mix up.
No, Chris, I'm mixing. You already did your job.
Here.
I'm gonna be done with
Hold on,
my
can you
job.
hold this? Well, hold on. Don't stick it in there, and then we'll have to use that when we pour it in the cake pan. And we can put it in the oven.
Then we can-
Nope. Don't stick it in there. Oh, you'll have to show everybody your school shoes.
Oh, yeah.
Well, when you're done. Very cool. Okay,
And
wait,
they
wait,
even like
Never mind. You're good.
I can show them.
You can multitask, huh?
I can
Okay. Can you keep mixing, please? Go ahead. No. No, we're not clipping our nails right now.
Chris, you can look. Wait. Yeah, Chris, you can look for this.
Oh, are we licking? Knock yourself out, buddy. Don't like it? Yeah, it's not very good. I'd rather have cake.
That was there.
Alright, we're gonna let Sissy pour it.
Chris, watch. Now we're gonna pour it in. And by the way, this does not
Good.
waste it. Because, you have to eat the cake.
Here, I can hold it so you can straighten it.
Okay. I'll make it tall. Thank you, Mom. If we don't get all of it in there, it will be a flat cake. And you don't want a flat cake. You want
Bye.
a stubby cake.
Ooh, watch your fingers. Nope.
We want a and a big cake because it will take longer.
It's all cooked and cooled off and you're frosting it, right? So stay tuned.
Bye. Comment down below if you liked a part of this video. Basically what I'm trying to say is we have to cook it. We'll come back whenever it is cooked and we'll frosting it. But bye. Have a nice day. Have a nice day and bye. Hello guys. So we made this video and the same day we made our other video. If you haven't seen that video, then wait for it to be on basically a
Channel.
The channel.
Oh, watch. Stop, Allie. Okay, there's the frosting.
So we did now let's get icing. Without further ado, let's get icing. So this is creamy, yeah.
Let's let Sissy get it covered and then we'll give you a spoon and you can help her. You want to help?
Now.
Hey.
That's my dad.
I'm gonna lick the cake. I'm gonna lick it.
No! It's for everybody and mostly you. Didn't know fact about me. I love unicorn.
It's okay. Look at this. What did you do? Just tip your hand over?
I like this.
Whoopsie.
I tipped my hand over.
You forget there was sprinkles in it?
Yeah.
It's okay. We'll get the sweeper out. We can sweep it up when she's all done. It should be in your tackle box.
I'm gonna try one. Not very good by itself. What? What, Mom?
They're much prettier than they actually taste, huh? And you're covering your cake in them. Maybe should we cool it on the sprinkles?
Never.
Alright, show everybody your finished product.
Split it around a little bit. Good.
Hold it up and show everybody. Don't put it back on there. You were worried about Chris's slobber and you're about to
She did put a slobbery unicorn sprinkle back on the cake, but don't worry, no one except us ate this. We made sure she got that piece, and we did not feed it to anyone else at all.
So this is what it looks like. It looks like they're all just stripe sprinkles, but there's actually unicorn sprinkles.